Hello guys, welcome to CAD Make. In today's tutorial we are going to design a flat belt pulley, using essential features and commands to bring our design to 3D modeling life. We'll also customize appearance to give our model a professional look. I hope you'll enjoy it. Now if you're ready, let's get started. Go to the File menu. Click New. Click on Part and click OK. To increase the sketch resolution more better, go to the Options setting. Click Document Properties. Click on Image Quality, increase the resolutions like this. Click OK. Now go to the sketch. Click on Sketch. Choose the front plane. Now take the center line command. Draw a vertical and a horizontal line passing through the origin point like this. Click Exit. Now take the line command and draw a rough sketch like this. Draw a horizontal line. Then draw a vertical line. Again draw a horizontal and a vertical line. The last one draw touching the center line. Click Exit. Now take the Mirror Entities command. Select these lines like this. Click here and select this line as reference. Click OK. Here we see we have mirrored the sketch. Select this line, hold Ctrl or Shift button and select this line. Make them vertical and equal. Click OK. Again select this line and this one. Make them horizontal and equal. Click OK. Take the Smart Dimension command and give the value to this line as 150 mm. Click OK. Give the value to this line as 15 mm. Click OK. Give the length to this line as 45 mm. Click OK. A little zoom it. Height of this line is 5 mm. Click OK. The distance between this line and this one is 30 mm. Click OK. Here we see our sketch is fully defined. Click here to finish the sketch. Now go to the Features and click on Revolved Boss command. Click here and select the sketch. Click here and select this line as an axis of revolution. Click OK. Press Ctrl+7 to make it normal. Now click on this surface. Click Sketch. Take the Circle command and draw a 160 mm diameter circle here in the origin. Make it for construction. Click OK. Again take the Circle command and draw a 60 mm diameter circle here on Circle quadrant. Click OK. Now take the Circular Pattern command. Click here and select the origin point. Give the pattern number as 4. Click here and select this circle as pattern. Click OK. Now go to the Features and click on Extruded Cut command. Select here through all. Click OK. Here we see we have created a flat belt pulley. It looks perfect and amazing. Now go to the background scene and select plain white. Go to the Visual Styles and select Real View Graphics. Again go to the Visual Styles and choose the shaded mode. Now go to the Appearance. Click Metal. Click on Magnesium and choose the burnished magnesium. It's look perfect and amazing now. It's enough for today. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.